Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel here at Disability Craftsman. I hope everyone's doing great and having a nice day. I'm here in my local forest taking a night walk with my coffee. Gotta have my coffee. I'm a bit of a coffee lover. I'm decided to develop a new aspect of my channel. Don't worry, I'll be still doing disability and equestrian stuff. But to make things, let's say, what the best word, to make things more inclusive to non-equestrians, and people with like disabilities. We'll do more like forest talks and forest walks where we talk about general issues surrounding the topic of mental health and other issues. And yeah, so today I want to talk about my own experience and how I know I'm desperate for this out either of my friends or family. I'm very hard on myself sometimes. I do not give my brain a break. And I overthink everything. I over criticize everything that I do. Most times, sometimes I'm good, but a lot of times I'm like, why did I do that? Why did I not do this? How could I bring better? Sorry, I'm walking by a river here. It's quite a beautiful river, but it's noisy as well. So, I'm going to start over. Very good. So, it's down there somewhere, trust me. It is down there, trust me. You got the other side. Here we go. That's the river there. A lovely river. Yeah, what I was saying, yeah, no, I am very hard on myself. I like perfection in what I do, and I like doing my best, which everyone does, but I can take it to a different level. And it affects what I do, like in my horse riding, in my lessons, and it affects to be camping. I had another horse riding lessons last 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and it was okay, nothing happened, and it was just, I didn't feel like I was communicating with my horse properly, or my horse just wasn't listening. And more, I wasn't communicating. I was distracted. I was not thinking. I wasn't in the moment. Actually, I wasn't in the moment. I was not present, and I was not communicating properly with my horse. And my horse naturally did her own thing, and you can't do anything about that. It was a hard lesson what we did, but at the same time I always felt I could have done better. And I think it's strive for me anyway, personally, for me, because of my disability, when I was growing up, I faced challenges in life to overcome, like learning how to walk properly, learning how to be as independent as possible, which I am really. But also learning how to talk and learning how to basically how to overcome things which other people might have find a lot easier to do. I had to work. Basically, I remember being told one day, when I was studying for my leaving cert, I would get fed up. I was like studying and I couldn't get anywhere. I was doing a lot more work studying than my best friend was at the time, and he'd get better than me. And I would just basically go look because of my disability, because of my situation. I had to work 120% more to get 80% of the mark. And that's just the way my life is, life is gonna always hand you roses. And that's it. But my character, I'm a strong person, independent person, and I will work hard. I will be the best of the best. And that's basically what the way I was brought up. Like, just if life gives you a lemon, make lemon juice. Get on with life. Life is not easy. That way I was brought up. And there were a few tough lessons, yeah. And I think a good thing, don't get me wrong, I think having those tough lessons is a great thing, actually. In moderation, like everything. And unfortunately, with me, I go the other way. I expect too much of myself. I say, if I mess up, I get really over analytical. I usually get annoyed. I'm not too bad, I'm getting better, but I'm still over analytical. And I think, David, you need to slow down here. And look, things go on, I just have to accept it. And okay, it might have been your best lesson, but learn something from it and move on and give yourself a break, which my counsellor always had to keep reminding me, give my head a break. And I think we should do that more so in life. In general, it's not easy, don't get me wrong, particularly if you grow up with challenges in your life and that you had to overcome. It does make you, it does create the person who you are, and that's a good thing, something to be celebrated. But at the same time, you can't let it ruin your life by the fact that you can't accept failure. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you mess up, and sometimes I mess up. Sometimes, now I say it a lot easier to say sometimes I succeed. 99% of the time I mess up. Nah, it's not that bad. But yeah, so I think while yes, it's just to be driven, it's just to be ambitious, it's just to have a bit of self-critical thought. At the same time, it's important, right, that you balance it out and take care of yourself and mind your brain, mind your mental health, and it's that look, things go wrong and you have bad lessons, you have bad days at your office, and just not to overanalyze it. So, with that said, I hope I made sense there, and look forward to the next forest talk next week, where we talk about something else. And I hope everyone having a great day, and mind yourself and mind your well-being, because your well-being is just as important as your physical being. Okay, thank you. Bye.